If you love stylish handmade fashion, then you are going to enjoy today's collection of beautiful crochet dress design ideas for women. Before we begin, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with your friends who love crochet fashion. Let's explore some amazing dress inspiration that can help you discover your next favorite look. Crochet dresses are becoming more popular every season because they combine elegance, comfort, and creativity. Whether you prefer simple everyday outfits or eye-catching statement pieces, crochet offers endless possibilities. Every stitch creates a unique design, making each dress feel special and handcrafted. You will find beautiful crochet maxi dresses that flow gracefully with every step. These long dresses are perfect for beach vacations, birthdays, dresses, summer evenings, garden parties, and casual outings. Their lightweight texture keeps you for comfort while giving you a sophisticated and feminine appearance. For women who love modern fashion, crochet minimal dresses are a stylish option. These trendy designs pair beautifully with sneakers, sandals, and ankle boots. Crochet midi dresses are another timeless favorite. They offer the perfect balance between elegance and comfort, whether designed with fitted silhouettes, A-line cuts, or relaxed styles. These dresses can easily be dressed up or thrown for different occasions. One of the most beautiful features of crochet fashion is the variety of stitch patterns. Floral lace shell stitches, granny squares, geometric textures all create completely different looks. Even when two dresses use the same color, the stitch designs make each one unique. Color also play an important role in crochet dress fashion. Soft white, cream beige, pastel, pink, sky blue, lavender, match green, and beige creates delicate and romantic styles. Bold shades like black, red, emerald green, royal blue, mustard, and burgundy offers a more confident and fashionable appearance. Neutral earth tones continue to remain a favorite because they match almost every season. Many crochet dresses feature beautiful design details such as puff sleeves, bell sleeves, layered skirts, and decorative lace borders. These small details make every dress look elegant and fashionable. Crochet dresses are perfect for every age. Young women often enjoy trendy fitted designs, while classic silhouettes and relaxed styles are ideal for women who prefer timeless elegance. The versatility of crochet means they are a beautiful design for everyone. Layering is another reason crochet dresses remain popular throughout the year. During warmer months, they can be worn over swimsuits or with simple inner linings. In cooler weather, pairing them with jackets, cardigans, boots, or scarves creates a cozy and stylish outfits without losing their handmade charm. So if you are new here, please subscribe our channel, like this video, and you can share it with your friends. If you're planning your own crochet project, Trudy's design collection is full of inspiration. Notice how different sleeve styles, neckline shapes, color combinations, and length completely transform each design. Sometimes a small change in pattern creates an entirely new fashion statement. Handmade crochet fashion is more than just clothing, it's a celebrating for creativity, patience, and craftsmanship. Which crochet dress design inspire you the most today? Do you prefer elegant mixed dresses, trendy mini styles, comfortable mid dresses, or classic handmade patterns? Share your favorite in the comments below. We will love to hear your thoughts. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed decorative discovering beautiful crochet fashion ideas, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification so you never miss our latest collection of crochet dresses. See you in the next video. Thanks.